In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Hello Neighbor 2 on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and purchase Hello Neighbor 2 on any Xbox console. So there are two ways to do this. You can either visit the official Hello Neighbor 2 website at helloneighbor.com and then click the Xbox icon, which redirects you into the official store page, or you can follow along directly on your console. Just open the Microsoft Store or the Xbox Store on an Xbox One or Xbox Series X or S, and when you are inside of the store, use the search function and then look for Hello Neighbor. When you look for Hello Neighbor, you will be able to find the two games. So you have the original Hello Neighbor and then the sequel, which is Hello Neighbor 2. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on Hello Neighbor 2, but of course you can explore the first one if you wish. So when you go to the Hello Neighbor 2 store page, you will be able to browse through reviews, see all of the capabilities, and of course purchase the game. So the game normally goes for $39.99, but it is currently on sale for $59.99. Or sorry, $15.99. You have two editions of the game, the standard one and then the deluxe edition. The deluxe edition contains some add-ons, so if you know that you are going to like the base game and you want more content, make sure that you purchase the deluxe edition. Alternatively, you can buy the DLC later separately. So you have Helicopter, Back to School, and then late fees. You just have to purchase them and the content is going to be accessible in-game. But Hello Neighbor 2, in summary, is going to be a stealth horror game. You will be able to uncover the secrets that the neighbor keeps. And keep in mind that this is entirely a single player experience. You will not be able to do multiplayer in Hello Neighbor. It is meant to be played alone, so you will not be able to do any sort of co-op or PvP online. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Hello Neighbor 2 on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.